Can't find Notepad in Yahoo Mail? It's hidden behind a More button. I'll show you exactly where it is in under a minute. So here's the thing. Yahoo Mail actually has a built-in note-taking tool, but they've tucked it away in a spot that's really easy to overlook. I've helped quite a few people with this same issue, and once you know where to look, it's actually super straightforward. First, go ahead and sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Just head over to mail.yahoo.com and log in with your usual email and password. This might take a second to load, and that's completely normal. Once you're signed in and your inbox is on screen, I want you to look over on the right side of the page. You'll see your profile icon up there, and right below it, there's a button that just says More. That little button is the key to everything we're about to do. Click on More. This opens up a drop-down menu with some extra features that Yahoo doesn't show by default to keep your inbox looking clean. From that drop-down menu, select Notepad, and just like that, the Notepad panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. It's a dedicated space where you can jot down quick thoughts, save important links, or keep a running list of things you don't want to forget. Now that the panel is open, you can either view any notes you've already saved or create a brand new one. There's usually a button or a blank field at the top to start a new note. Go ahead and click that. Type in whatever information you want to save. Maybe it's a grocery list, a phone number you need to remember, or some quick notes from a meeting. This is your space to keep things handy without needing a separate app. And here's the really great part. Your notes save automatically. You don't have to hunt around for a save button or worry about losing your work if you accidentally close the window. Yahoo handles all that in the background. That's it. The next time you need to jot something down while checking your email, you'll know exactly where to look. No more digging around or wondering if the feature even exists. Just click More, then Notepad, and you're all set.